Hey everyone, welcome back to another Buzz with Your Cuz. Great video today. We're talking about 2 channels, 3 ingredient cocktail, and what's more exciting than that. If you're new here, my name is Cam. If you've been a subscriber for a long time, my name is still Cam. So hit that thumbs up. Let's get commenting below. There's a lot of friends who are willing and ready to meet you and watch your content. But in order to participate, you got to comment below. I think that Chappie's Tiki Bar would really appreciate not only the drink we're about to make, but you checking out his channel. So that's one channel. Let's get started. What are we talking about? Havana, Cuba, 1898. Free Cuba, Cuba Libre. Sounds pretty fancy, right? Here in America, we call it a rum and coke. There's one small twist, and that is the addition of the lime. Okay, so that upscales it. There's a bunch of different history things about the Cuba Libre. Free Cuba is basically what it's translated to. So they think they have the origins comes from the Spanish-American War, that being a battle cry after the captain had won and then passed them out and around. As your captain of the Libation Army, which is slightly different than the Liberation Army, I think they were onto something wonderful. And there's, as we said, there's 3 ingredients. There's the rum. Any rum that you like is perfectly fine. Bacardi wants you to use the Bacardi Gold. I think you use what you like. If you like a white rum, a light rum, a spiced rum, this is our drink, so you do it the way you want to do it. And I'm going to do it the way I want to do it. My way might not be the right way, but this is how I do it. Captain Morgan. White rum. Nice and light, really super smooth. And also, we need Coke. And originally I thought I'd just use, the regular Coke, but I went out and got myself Mexican Coke. So for those of you who don't know, there's no corn syrup in here. This is made with cane sugar. So it's a more natural drink in my opinion, and many others. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna get our rum, we're gonna get our Coke, and we're gonna get our lime. We're gonna lime it up. All right, so traditionally, or what Bacardi wants, is 1 part Bacardi Gold, 3 parts cola. I think that's too sweet, right? 2 ounces of rum, 6 ounces of soda. So we're gonna change it up here a little bit. We're gonna go with 2 ounces of rum, 4 ounces of cola, and half of that lime. That's how we do it. Get a highball style glass, fill it with ice. I'm using this because of YouTube. We'll build our cocktail over this. There we have it, folks. The Cuba Libre. Oh yeah. So well balanced. This ratio is so much better than 1 to 3. Right? 1 rum, 3 colas would be really sweet. That rum does not have an overpowering effect, but is very well balanced, and the lime really makes it pop. And I think the only thing else that we need with this is potentially a dish from Cooking with Rick. I bet he has something up his sleeves that might be a little bit citrusy that would go with this and really upscale our experience. So, again, Chappie's Tiki Bar, Cooking with Rick, great food, great drink. Take a look at their channels. They are putting out some really great content that we will drink to. Pinkies up. Oh yeah. This is catching a buzz with your cuz. summertime edition anytime. Can't wait to see you guys next week. Again, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will be bringing you maybe something to go with this. Monday, Thursday, who knows. Great to see everybody, and we'll talk again soon. See you next week.